जय श्री राम। आई एम नरेंद्र मोदी सर का फैन एंड बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता हूँ। जैसे हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी सर मीट द रशियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर माइकल मिथिसन एंड प्रेसिडेंट व्लादिमीर पुतिन सर and our Narendra Modi sir met the South Korea Prime Minister Chang Yeon and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir met the France Prime Minister Jean Castex and our Narendra Modi sir met the Italy Prime Minister Marino Draghi and Giuseppe Conte and our Narendra Modi sir met the USA Prime Minister Joe Biden and Donald Trump sir also. They discussed the shipbuilding companies are manufacturing in India and Russia, South Korea, France, Italy, USA. Very good relationship between both countries. Our Narendra Modi sir met the Russia Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin and Vladimir Putin sir established Russia shipbuilding companies in India shipbuilding companies. JS United Shipbuilding Corporation, Alma Shipbuilding Company, Dajlawad and Jeleno Shipyard Shipbuilding Company, Crema Shipyards of Russia. These all are Russian shipbuilding companies. Please establish in India. Our Narendra Modi sir meet the Japan Prime Minister Shinzo Abe sir also to establish Japan shipbuilding companies in India. The Japan shipbuilding companies are IHI Corporation, Japan Marine United, Japan Sumitomo Heavy Industries Company also established in India. Embari Shipbuilding is very famous. Please establish Embari Shipbuilding Company in India. Kawasaki Heavy Industries Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Kawasaki Shipbuilding Corporation also please establish in India. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Oshima Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Solar Green Energy Shipbuilding also established in India. India and Japan very good relationship and our Narendra Modi sir Shinzo Abe are very good friends and brothers and recently our Narendra Modi sir meet the Italy Prime Minister Marino Draghi and Giuseppe Conte also discussed to establish Italy shipbuilding companies in India. Gio Ansaldo Canteri Navili Vicenteri Caproni Ferretti Group Shipbuilding established in India. Fincantieri, one of the largest shipbuilding company in Italy. Fincantieri Shipbuilding Company established in India. Italian boat builder also established in India. Italy Philippi Boats Fincantieri Shipbuilding, Italy, one of the largest shipbuilding company, please established in India. Augustus SPA Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Biniti Shipbuilding also established in India. Baglito Centari Navili Trecento Company also established in India. Centari Navili Vicentini Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Capture Navili Odero Company also established in India. Rossi Navi Shipbuilding Company also established in India. Colombo Shipyards also Italy shipbuilding companies, please establish all shipbuilding companies are established in India shipyards. Now recently our Narendra Modi sir meet the Donald Trump sir and Joe Biden sir also meet our Narendra Modi sir to establish USA shipbuilding companies in India. Royal Caribbean Cruises Shipbuilding, India don't have cruise ships. Please establish Royal Caribbean Cruises Shipbuilding Company in India shipyards. And American boat builder also established in India. Shipbuilding companies of California also established in India shipyards and defendant shipbuilding companies of US. General Dynamics shipbuilding company also established in India. Northrop Grumman shipbuilding company established in India. Bollinger shipyards company established in India. General Dynamics shipbuilding company also established in India. General Dynamics Electric Boat shipbuilding company also established in India. Jaff Boat shipbuilding company established in India. Ingalls shipbuilding company also established in India. North Pacific Yards shipbuilding company established in India. Viger shipyards established in India shipyards. So please establish all USA shipbuilding companies established in India shipyards. India and USA very good relationship, 30 years relationship in India and USA. Recently our Narendra Modi sir met the France Prime Minister Jean Castex and Equid Phillips also met our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir. France shipbuilding companies established in India. French boat builder shipbuilding company established in India. Shipyards of France shipbuilding company established in India. Fontaine Pressure company also established in India. Naval Group shipbuilding company established in India. Equine Yachts shipbuilding company established in India. India and France also very good relation, and both countries are like brothers and family members. Recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir met the South Korea Prime Minister Chung Ye-kyon, and India and South Korea very good relationship between both countries. So please establish South Korea shipbuilding companies in India. DSME shipbuilding company established in India, and Hyundai Heavy Industries shipbuilding company established in India. Hyundai Mapo Dockyard shipbuilding company established in India. Hyundai Samho Heavy Industries shipbuilding company established in India. Samsung Heavy Industries shipbuilding company established in India. STX Corporation shipbuilding company established in India. STX Offshore shipbuilding company also established in India. India and South Korea very good relationship, very long relationship between both countries. Please establish South Korea shipbuilding companies in India shipyards. Scorpio shipbuilding company also established in India. Like oil and petroleum production shipyards, shipbuilding companies also established in the Boris Sokolov liquid gas. It carries liquid gas and gas carries shipbuilding. Please establish in India shipyards. SCF Prudencia Glencore International AG. SCF Prudencia shipbuilding company also established in India shipyards. Yuri Chuklo oil, it carries oil tanker carries Russian shipbuilding company. Natural gas. Yuri Kuchlev established shipbuilding companies in India. Gagarin Prospect, it carries LNG, liquid gas and raw materials. Please establish in India shipyards. Michael Lazarev Russian shipbuilding company. It carries crude oil and gas. Please establish India shipyard. Cap Quebec, it carries crude oil. Please establish Cap Quebec shipbuilding company established in India. Cap Corpus Christi shipbuilding company also established in India. It is a Greece. Ani is a South Korea shipbuilding company. It carries crude oil and liquid gas. Please establish any shipbuilding company in India. Antigone is a South Korea shipbuilding company. Please establish shipbuilding company in India. Hanjin shipbuilding South Korea shipbuilding company. Please establish a shipbuilding company in India. And China Ocean shipbuilding company. COSCO is a China shipbuilding company also. COSCO shipbuilding company established in India. CMA CGM Group, it's a France. CMA CGM Group very famous. and one of the largest shipbuilding company, France. Please establish shipbuilding company in India. Mediterranean Shipbuilding Company, MSC. Mediterranean Shipbuilding Company, it's a Switzerland. Please establish Mediterranean Shipbuilding Company in India shipyards. And AP Moller Maersk Group, Denmark. AP Moller Maersk Group shipbuilding company, please establish in India. India shipyards. India shipyards, Cochin shipyard, Mazaron dock shipyard, Hindustan shipyard, Garden Reach shipyard, Goa shipyard, Naval dockyard, and Jawaharlal Nehru port, and ABJ shipyard, Bharti shipyard, L&T shipyard, Modest International shipyard, Ugly dock port. These are Indian shipyards. Please establish Russia, South Korea, France, Italy, USA, Japan shipbuilding companies in India. Thank you.